Hey there, it's Kathy from Copywriter in Your Pocket. In this video, I am going to show you a system I've created that allows you to just chat into your phone, share some ideas with it, and have a custom GPT that's been built in your voice, trained on frameworks so that it writes whatever marketing copy you want it to write. I'm going to show you an example that does 5 pieces of content, blog, Facebook post, things like that. But we can make this bespoke to whatever you need. Then you can still on your phone, go back and forth until you're happy with the output. Shouldn't take long because it's been so well trained. And then press a button and it's going to move all that content into an Airtable base for you. What that means is if you've got a team, we can set it up so it sends them an email to let them know that your content's in there ready for them to do their bit. If it's just you, what that means is your content's in there ready for you to sit down later in the day, look at it with a clear head and make your final edits, and then schedule it out or whatever it is that you do. It's really powerful, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so this is an example GPT that I've set up called Content from Walk, because that's the idea here. Now, I don't have my phone on me because it's school holidays and my kids have got my phone. So imagine I'm on my phone, but I'm going to use the audio feature because that is essentially what you're doing. I've had an idea. I want to write some content about how cool it is to be able to talk into your phone and have as many pieces of content created for you in your voice while you're busy doing something else like walking the dog. I want to make it clear to my readers that this allows them to get work done while they're doing other stuff and to show them how they can integrate it within a workflow with their team. Call to action is that I can build it for them, or they can join the AI accelerator and learn how to build it themselves. Okay, so the audio's done. It's written it, it's transcribed it for me. So now I would hit go. Again, I'm on my phone. So you can see here that it's going to do the blog post first, wait for my approval, and then it's going to move on to the other ones. Now, it's not just like a random blog post. This has been trained on a particular framework. Okay, so it's done the blog post, and I can look at this and decide whether I'm happy with it, or I can have a chat back and forth about some changes that I want it to make. I mean, to be fair, the voice is good. I'm happy with most of this. Okay, so this isn't correct, for example. Can you take out the bit about being able to talk into anything? They have to talk into ChatGPT. Can you also, for the external links, find something a bit more relevant rather than just transcription apps? Okay, so I've just given it a little bit of feedback. Again, I'm on my phone. Okay, so it's made that update for me. It's given me some other links. So this is the type of stuff that I would double check, tweak, and refine when sitting down at my desk once it's in Airtable. But for now, I'm happy with it. Yes, can you draft the next pieces? Okay, so the other framework I've baked in is a YouTube script. So it's writing that out for me. The next piece is a Facebook post. And this voice is really good. This is so close to my voice because I have trained it on my voice behind the scenes. Now, I know if you're seeing the M dashes, I know chat is still putting them in there. That is something I just take out as a final edit. And then an Instagram carousel, again, following a framework that I've given it, writing in my voice. And finally, an email newsletter. Okay, so it's done it. It's written those 5 pieces. I'm going to say that I'm happy with them. Save to Airtable, please. Okay, so now this little button comes up. And all you need to do is hit confirm. Before we do that, I'm just going to show you the Airtable base. So you can see at the moment there are 6 entries in there. And these are ones that I've done before. So now I'm going to hit confirm. And now it's all been saved to Airtable. And look, like magic, the new rows appeared and all those pieces of content are in there under their relevant title. Now, the extra step, if you want to email this to somebody like a VA to let them know it's in here and ready for them to do their piece. You have a drop down here. I can say, I've set this one up to say ready to publish. What that's going to do is trigger an email. Okay, and here it is. It's arrived. Posts are ready to schedule. So this is a pretty vanilla email, but obviously you can put whatever you want into the body of the email. So I hope you agree. This is pretty cool. Like I said, this is bespoke. It can be created in lots of different ways, depending on what you need. This was just one demo I've created to show you it in action.